Hello and welcome back to English with Teacher Aziz. If you're gearing up for the English teaching exam in Morocco, I've got some top tips to help you ace it. Let's jump right in. First things first, understand the exam format. Familiarize yourself with the sections. Multiple choice questions, short answers, essays, and the oral component. Know the time for each section and practice managing it effectively. Next, dive into the content areas. Focus on advanced grammar and vocabulary. Use grammar books, flashcards, and online exercises. Sharpen your reading, writing, listening, and speaking skills with past papers and sample questions. And don't forget teaching methodologies. Learn about communicative language teaching, task-based learning, and tech in the classroom. Quality study materials are a must. Use recommended textbooks and online resources like the British Council and Cambridge English websites. Practice with past exam papers to get a feel for the question types and difficulty level. Let's talk about writing essays. Practice structuring your essays with clear introductions, bodies, and conclusions. Focus on coherence, cohesion, and clarity. And get feedback from teachers or peers to identify areas for improvement. Enhance your speaking skills with mock interviews. Practice with friends or colleagues who can give constructive feedback. Use sample speaking topics and simulate exam conditions. Work on both fluency and grammatical accuracy. Classroom management is key. Be prepared to answer questions on managing different classroom scenarios, dealing with disruptive students, or implementing lesson plans. Gain practical experience through internships or volunteering. Stay updated on educational trends. Be in the know about the latest in English language teaching, like digital tools and blended learning. Attend workshops, webinars, and courses to boost your knowledge and skills. Join study groups for peer learning. Share resources, discuss tough topics, and support each other. Group discussions can help clarify complex concepts. Take care of your well-being. Maintain a balanced diet, exercise, and get enough sleep. Practice stress management techniques like mindfulness, meditation, or yoga to stay calm and focused. Lastly, seek professional guidance. Consider working with a tutor or mentor for personalized support. Join professional networks for English teachers to connect with experienced educators. By following these tips and staying diligent, you can boost your chances of success in the English teaching exam in Morocco. Good luck and happy studying.